Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to never smell bad ever again. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 6 tips and pieces of advice that will help you smell better and literally never smell bad ever again. So let's get right into this video with these tips. They're useful. You can implement them easily. So just let's get right into it, okay? No more beating around the bush. Let's get right into it. Tip number one. Number one is to shower every day. You got to shower every day. I know sometimes you might be able to think oh, I can get away with showering every second day because I didn't sweat too much. I understand that. I get that. Been there, done that. But at the end of the day, if you want to not smell bad and ensure that you're not smelling bad, you got to shower every day. That is tip number one. Simple as that. Just make it a point to shower every day. It doesn't have to be a long shower. It doesn't have to be a thorough shower, but it does have to be a cleansing shower. Make sure you do it every day. That's number one, okay? Moving on to number two. Number two is use deodorant. So literally, your armpits are going to be the number one culprit for making you smell bad, okay? It's where you sweat the most. It's where most people lose in terms of body odor. So use deodorant. Simple as that. Make sure you use a good quality deodorant and make sure you're using it every single day. Simple as that. You can even apply it twice a day depending on how much you're sweating. It is literally that simple. That is a super useful piece of advice, okay? Moving on to number three. Tip number three is eat healthy foods. That's right. You want to eat healthy foods. If you eat unhealthy foods, chances are you're going to be more likely to smell, okay? By eating healthy foods, your body will produce generally less body odor, which means you will smell generally better. Simple as that, okay? And I don't even need to say anything else about that. You don't have to eat super healthy foods all the time, but just eat generally healthier foods. That's tip number three. Moving on to tip number four. Tip number four is stay hydrated. By drinking more water, okay, and staying hydrated, you are generally going to be better smelling. You're less likely to smell bad, which means relatively you're going to smell better. So stay hydrated, drink as much water as you need to every day, and stay as hydrated as you can, okay? Moving on to tip number five. Tip number five is use a skin lotion. So make sure you're using a skin lotion, something that you can rub on your skin that is slightly scented. You don't want to go around smelling like a bunch of flowers, unless that's what you want to smell like, that's fine. But generally speaking, if you just don't want to smell bad, use a skin lotion with just the slightest bit of a scent, okay? That's what I recommend. It will keep your body odors hidden. If you have any body odors at all, it's going to keep them hidden, which is a key factor in not smelling bad, okay? And last but not least, tip number 6, okay? Tip number 6 is develop good hygiene habits in terms of your teeth, your hands, etc. So brush your teeth twice a day, okay? Wash your hands as often as you need to wash them. Anything else that in terms of good hygiene, just develop good hygiene because your body odors can be hidden in your breath, right? In smelly hands, in smelly clothes, wash your clothes as often as you need to, stuff like that. So just develop good hygiene habits overall. And that's basically it. That is how to never smell bad ever again. A simple tutorial. Hopefully you liked it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.